So today is Saturday, and today I came here to Sivapuri National Park for a day hike to Bagdwar. If possible, I will go to Sivapuri Peak. It's almost 10, so I think I'm gonna reach till Bagdwar after 3.5 hours, so that will be around 1. Alright, I'll keep on updating on the road. It's a first information board ho. We're going to Bagdwar and then Sivapuri Peak. As I said, Bagdwar is 3 hours and Sivapuri Peak would be 3.3 hours. Alright. Okay. After walking like half an hour, I'm taking a break at this corner. किनभने म आज बिहान आउँदाखेरि I didn't eat anything. खाली coffee र एउटा black tea को भरमा आएको. So taking a break, having a little bit of snacks, and then I'll continue to this road. Okay, a time update. It's almost 11:30. That is like I walked 1.5 hours already, starting from 10, and I don't know where I have reached right now, but I guess this is the middle part of Bagdwar, so it's all covered with forest. I love this road, by the way. It's very silent, surrounded with small trees. Okay, see you again. So on the way to Bagdwar, you will find lots of small streams on the way, which make it more beautiful, the trail. रमाइलो लाग्छ जब एक्लै हाइकिङ आइन्छ र यस्तो यस्तो सानो सानो स्ट्रिम भेटिन्छ, एकछिन बसेर मुख धुन मन लाग्छ. Right, I'll dip my hand in the cold water and then I will continue the further journey. Okay. Oh, चिसो अब फ्रेश भयो. लेट्स हल्का रिफ्रेसिङ हुन रमाइलो हुन्छ. सानो सानो स्ट्रिममा एकछिन कुरेर गाना सुन्दै माथि जान. इट्स मोर फन. Hiking with friend, it's a different kind of fun, but traveling alone, solo hiking, man, you treat your soul. I love this. So generally this point in the evening time, it will all be covered up with fog. It makes it more intense, and also a little bit of fear inside the jungle during the fog time. But अहिले चाहिँ weather अलिक gloomy छ, कता कता sunlight देखा पर्छ. So still I say this is a nice kind of a weather to trek. It's not either hot or very cold. Thank God अहिलेसम्म पानी परेको छैन. Hope it still continue be the same. Alright, see you after a while. अब यहाँबाट चाहिँ मेरो विचारमा चाहिँ माथिसम्म नि they're gonna be stairs. यो ठाउँ चाहिँ I would say if you want to go trek somewhere, this is the first place that you want to do. यता exercise, यता try एकचोटि hike गरेर मात्रै. I recommend everyone to go to Annapurna Base Camp Trail. किनभने a knee band and wear a very comfortable hiking shoes. It's better you carry your stick because you never know. You have to be prepared for everything. Okay? I'll keep on walking the stairs. See you. Okay, here it is. And another ladder, stairs, whatever you want to call it, but it is really a pain. Hiking on a stairs is not that much fun than hiking on a trail. It's more of a climbing than walking when you find some stairs. But yeah, Bagdwar is like 5 minutes from here. 5 minutes ma Bagdwar pugne chu. Take an hour of a break there, and I'll decide if I want to go to the Sibapuri peak or not, looking at my knee condition. Okay, see you. अघिको बोर्ड was a scam. 5 minutes भनेर it's 45 minutes walking from here this point. उल्लू बनाया, क्या करें. Alright, अहिले चाहिँ ठ्याक्क एउटा खुला चौरमा आइपुगी. Okay, I didn't take a rest in that field. किनभने त्यहाँ अति नै धेरै मान्छेहरू थियो. I sat for a while. धेरै मान्छेहरू आयो. So also एकदम घाम एकदम चर्को थियो. So I kept walking. So नयाँ बोर्ड हेर्दाखेरि I found out that from the point where I wanted to rest, त्यहाँबाट अझै 45 to 50 minutes को walk रहेछ बागद्वारसम्मको लागि हैन. अहिले चाहिँ I'm walking. I'm surrounded by a lot of people. I want to go ahead of this all crowd. So I again want to be back at the nature. So update, it's about 35 minutes that I have kept walking from the place where I want to rest. So abako 15-20 minutes I guess I will reach to Bagdwar. And I don't think the weather is in the favor to go to Sibapuri peak. Let's see. I'll reach to Bagdwar and I'll decide if I want to go there or I will climb down from Bagdwar. Okay?
Walking ahead found a group of people and had few conversations with them.
हामी कता छ रे?
पनामाको छौं. अब केही बेरमा हामी अमेरिका छिर्दै छौं. हामीलाई डोनाल्ड ट्रम्पले बोलाएको छ. डोनाल्ड ट्रम्पले बोलाएको छ. वहाँ जाँदा भिडियो मरेको रोज कान्छ बाहिर छोराले नि पठायो के भिडियो गरेर.
हजुर. त्यो भिजा हो के?
डिप्रेसनले मानसिक रोग लागेर जान्छ त्यो मान्छेहरु.
हो नि. पैसा पनि छैन न अमेरिका पायो लोन अनि
माया त लाग्छ नि तर के गर्ने अब नेपाली हो दुःख पाए
गयो सरकारले यस्तो भयो के अन्त नेपालको ल पुग्यो जोस राइट फाइनली I have reached to Bagdwar after 2.5 hour hike. Okay, you can see lots of people. धेरै मान्छे खुट्टा अलि दुखेको अवस्था. So I'll take a break for half an hour. जय शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ.
What happened?
Saturday. Okay, अब चाहिँ म एक्लै भएँ. बागद्वार हो यो. So this is the starting of a Bagmati river. सबैजना माथि शिवपुरी पिक जाँदैछन्. I don't think I will go to शिवपुरी pick. The weather is not that good अनि माथिबाट भ्यू पनि देखिँदैन. So I think I will head down to Ranikonda. Oh boy. यो गाइस भित्रबाट एकदम हलो छ तर स्टिल स्ट्यान्डिङ टल. सो शिवपुरी बागद्वार आउँदाखेरि चाहिँ दिस वुड बी अ प्राइम स्पट फर एभ्रीवान टु क्लिक अ फोटो. मैले पनि पहिला धेरै खिचिसक्यो. सो अहिले चाहिँ एउटा सानो भिडियोमा बाइ बाइ. So this is the place where I first wanted to rest while climbing up. तर धेरै मान्छेले गर्दाखेरि यो स्वीट स्पटमा बस्न पाएन. But returning back, I took some of my time here to just relax and be with the nature. Guys, also update in my knee. अलिकति दुखेको छ त्यसैले गर्दाखेरि क्विक रिलिफ प्याच हान्दिएको छु डिएममा लाएर. अघिदेखिको खाएको खाइछु नआइज है क्या. ल गाइस हेडिङ डाउन. अब चाँडै तल पुगिन्छ. होप घराङ झर्दाखेरि चाहिँ मेरो खुट्टा नदुखोस् हैन. सी यु डाउन. झन्डै मरे. दिस I meant by forest being foggy, and I love this a lot. यो ठाउँको सबभन्दा ठुलो विशेषता भनेको यही हो, foggy. The same spot from where we started. But wow, and we are going back. अब यहाँ पे तो around 10 minutes में I'll pick up my stuff there at Okay, so finally get my ticket. अनि कति बजेको छ भन्दाखेरि अहिले 3:28 भएको छ. अहिले चाहिँ म यो जुत्ता खोलेर चिसो पानीमा खुट्टा भिजाउनु मन छ, त्यसैले यो खुट्टा भिजाएर सफा भएर and then I'll head back to my crib. So until next time, see you. Bye bye.